Hello everyone and welcome to our LinkedIn tutorial about impressions. My name is Marie, the founder and CEO of Marie Olivier Ltd, and I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. So let's take a look about today's topic, which is impressions. So impressions is the number of times your post was shown on LinkedIn. So you can find it really along the way of your profile. So when you scroll down a bit here, you can see how many post impressions you have, for example, for the past 7 days. Also, when you go to your activity and you show all posts, here you can find again the impressions of all of your posts on LinkedIn profile. It's very different than other statistics that it shows you. So for example, here you can see the reactions. So it means the number of reactions you have, like likes, hearts, idea bulbs, etc. that your posts have received. Then you have also comments. So the number of times people commented on your post and then also repost. So number of times people shared your post to their feed. Now let's take a look also at the statistics of your full profile. So here when you go in and you scroll up, so here you put show all stats, and you can see that you have the post impressions, so how many post impressions you have the past 7 days and how your statistics have changed over the last 7 days, and you also have some others. So how to actually improve these impressions? You can see that the past 7 days I really have 18% less impressions than before, and it's mainly because I, for example, didn't engage as much as I did the previous 7 days with my audience. So first of all, you want to engage with the industry and with the audience that is interested in your niche. So you should share industry data, insights, and case studies. So these can help build, for example, authority on that matter. So if I want to position myself as a branding expert, then I am sharing the branding insights. Also, then you want to tag companies from now and there. So, for example, here when I had a podcast with Hafsa Salman, then I am going to tag the company or the people in every post, but it should always be meaningful. So remember this. You want to tag companies and people who do react on your post, because if they don't react on your post, so here you can see that really I got an engagement with Hafsa in my comments, therefore then it got pushed much more the content if the people actually react who you tag. And this is really important, because if not, then it can rather harm your impressions. Also, then you should engage with other people in your niche, not only just reply in the comments with the people who commented on your post, but also to do some searches and search, for example, for the people in the branding industry, in my case, and to put here, for example, post and sort by the most rate, like for example, for the past week. And then you can engage with the people who have less engagement, so less than, for example, 15 comments, 15 likes, because then these people are going to view your profile, they might be the potential clients of yours, etc. It's also recommended to post on the comments rather than to have more posts per day. Some people, they do the mistake that they post, for example, 2 posts per day, which is then splitting their engagement, their numbers. So it's rather better to more comment than to put more posts on your profile. And the last but not least is to also add some downloadable content to your post that usually encourage people to share your content and can provide inherent value. So for example, like click this link and download my PDF guide, so you can also like navigate them towards your website, etc. So if you are interested in more tips, then follow me on my LinkedIn, Marie Zametsnikova. You can find me also on this URL. Or you can also visit us on the website where you go to mariolivi.com, and you can also here in the article section see new articles with new videos on daily basis. So see you there. Bye.